So there is obviously a big challenge for the logistics industry to move goods around the world. Middle East, especially in air cargo, is a huge contributor to the capacity around the world. Today, roughly 25 odd percent of the capacity originates in the Middle East. So whether it is Qatar Airways, it's Emirates, it's Saudi Airlines, Oman Air, or some of the other carriers in the Gulf, they contribute sizably not just to the Indian air cargo, but they also contribute sizably to the cargoes from other parts of the world. So there is a huge capacity crunch that has suddenly set in around the world. There are cargoes which are sitting at airports in India, in other parts of the world, in the Middle East, which are not able to move because of lack of capacity available. The industry is finding alternate routes. We are creating solutions for our customers by choosing alternate routes which will help us to move goods from the point of origin to the point of destination. And some good alternate solutions have been worked out already. We have seen some capacities return. Saudi has started to operate freighters into India. Emirates has started to move some flights. We are also seeing certain other carriers now starting to operate. Hopefully, the carriers will also be able to set their capacity in place, and they will be able to bring those capacities back in the markets really soon.
So tell me how soon you are seeing, because the conflict is some experts are saying it can go long. So how do you see these alternatives viable, and how it will situation will be controlled in coming days?
So देखिए जो the cargo which is not yet moved from the origin, it is possible for you to reroute that cargo which is for another part of the world. Is something which is destined for Middle East will definitely have a bigger challenge, because if you're not able to access a particular geography because of the shelling or because of any other problem, then that cargo will definitely have an impact. But if there is cargo which is moving from, say, India to Europe or India to America, and that has not yet tendered at the airport, that cargo you can easily route through other carriers, probably European carriers, Indian carriers, some of the American carriers, or Far East carriers. We can use them to route those cargos.
How it will be impacting the cost?
There is definitely an impact on cost, because like I said, over 20 odd percent of capacity is the Middle East capacity. And when the capacity shrinks in some markets in India and overseas, the Middle East capacity's contribution is much more. So there the impact of cost has become even more. We are seeing cost increase, especially in air cargo, anything between 25% and 80%.